guys, and welcome back. This is video 3. In your notebooks, you wrote 4 sentences using the word must. These are some rules at Seb's house. So check your answers. Make sure that your sentence is right. If there is a mistake, if there's something you need to fix, don't worry. That's okay. You can fix it now. Pause the video now. Check your answers. Fix anything you need. When you're ready to continue, press play. Now it's time to do some thinking and speaking practice. My question here is, what should Seb say to his mom? Seb's mom is going to tell Seb some things that he must do, and I want you to think about what you would say to your mom and think about what Seb should say to his mom. Leroy is here. Leroy, can you say hello to everybody?
Hello.
Can you sit up a little bit so you're on the camera? Okay. Say hello to everybody.
Hello.
Okay, welcome back to Leroy. He is our special helper in today's lesson. He is going to speak for Seb. I'm going to do the voice for Seb's mom. So let's start. Seb, you must shower before bed.
No, Mom, I like to be stinky.
Seb, you must shower before bed.
Okay, Mom, I will go shower now.
Seb, you must brush your teeth after dinner.
No, Mom, I don't want to.
Seb, you must brush your teeth after dinner.
Okay, Mom, I will go do it right now.
Seb, you must clean your room every day.
No, Mom, I never clean my room.
Seb, you must clean your room every day.
Okay, Mom, I will, but I don't like cleaning my room.
Seb, you must do your homework now.
Mom, I want to play Roblox now.
Seb, you must do your homework now.
No, Mom. I want to go play outside with my friends.
Seb, you must do your homework now.
No, Mom, I want to go to 7-Eleven to buy some snacks.
By now, Seb's mom is getting angry at Seb. She says, "That's it, Seb. I'm telling your dad."
No, Mom. Please don't tell Dad.
It's time to meet Seb's dad. What do you think Seb's dad looks like? What do you think Seb's dad is like? Seb's dad is his hero. He wants to be just like him.
Your time is up, my time is now. You can't see me, my time is now.
Seb, you must do your homework now.
Okay, Dad, I will do it now. Thanks for the reminder.
Seb, you should always listen to your dad. You should always do what your dad says. Don't make Dad angry. That's the end of video 3. I will see you back here in video 4.